This is a short video of me applying the first treatment to some ash trees. This ash tree, come back a little, as you can see, is not in good condition. It was the beginning of last year. Last spring it was fine. Now it seems to have got Ash Dieback. It also seems to have had one of the tops bit now. It's just there. It's probably muntjac. We do have muntjac around. Anyway, I've applied biochar, as you can see, around the base of the tree, having scraped back the mulch, and I'll then go on to put the mulch back afterwards and go on to the next tree. The plan is to give them several treatments in a year. Well, we'll see how that goes, and I'll keep a record of what the tree looks like. Okay, that's all for now.